on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. 'Cause she doesn't get your...
Live an experience filled with aromas and scenery. Visit Rioja Alavesa, a place where wine and culture are true synonyms. Get on board the Enobus and travel the route of Rioja Alavesa wine. Leave the car behind and be driven in this tourist bus that you will find in different parts of Euskadi. Begin a journey through a region in which you can admire spectacular scenery and charming villages, and enjoy the local cuisine, always accompanied by the aroma and taste of wine. At each winery, the winemakers will show you the secrets of winemaking. Only here you can taste wines that will fascinate your palate. Visit breathtaking wine cellars designed by world-class architects as are Santiago Calatrava or Frank Gehry, and learn of the culture of wine through its wine museums. End your day relaxing in a luxurious spa. What do you say? The Enobus offers many possibilities, but we have chosen one of the most complete routes to travel through the culture and flavors of wine. We begin our journey with a stroll through this medieval town, which despite its size has much to offer. La Bastida is a small town full of art and history, an ideal place to enjoy oneself admiring its two historic quarters, full of palaces, walls and churches of the past. We return to the Enobus to drive into a sea of vineyards, filled with wine cellars that combine tradition with modernity. Examples of this are the Valllovera wineries, a perfect place to get lost among barrels and try some of the wines of the land through a pleasant tasting. After the tasting, nothing better than to head to La Guardia and wander along its narrow streets to get to know its rich heritage and marvel at palaces and walls, which once made this town a real bastion of defense. Here, we can also sample the culinary treasures in a small cozy cellar. Without a doubt, a great way to fight mid-morning hunger. We follow the route on board the Racimo train and travel the fields, learning about the vineyards that extend beneath the spectacular Sierra de Cantabria. A great plan. Rioja Alavesa will delight you not only with its wines, but also with its cuisine. To taste it, we just need to turn to any of the excellent restaurants that abound in the area. Delicious dishes made from local produce, along with the wine, make lunch a true pleasure. After the meal, nothing better than to continue the experience with experiences. We visit the Villa Lucia Wine Theme Center, designed to taste and spread the culture of the world's most universal drink. Thanks to its museum and its 4-dimension multimedia exhibition, this is an ideal place where to experience unique moments and develop the 5 senses. We cannot end this fascinating route without discovering another of the most attractive features of Rioja Alavesa: relaxation. So, we head to the wine oil spa Villa de la Guardia, a luxurious complex where to enjoy baths, therapies and special treatments in a unique setting, and put an end to this fascinating experience feeling like new.